Claude code without skills is like you hired a genius but who doesn't know anything about your project. It's mean they are smart but they keep giving you the generic answers. Claude skills fix that. These are markdown files that teach Claude code to do specific tasks better, and right now the skill ecosystem has more than 300 skills, but obviously you don't need to use those 300 skills, you only need 10, and these are the 10 skills I'm using and that made a huge difference in my workflows. And to this video I'm going to talk about these 10 skills with you, so let's get into it. Skill number 1, the front-end design. So let's start with the one that probably has the most impact for most of you who are watching this right now, and that is the official front-end design skill of Anthropic. So if you ever ask Claude Code to build you a website, then you know that the problem is it gives you a very generic website, white background, purple gradient, in a front, boring curve layout. It looks like AI made that, and anyone can tell that very easily that the website is AI generated. And the front-end design skill changes that completely because it gives Claude a design system and a set of rules before it writes a single line of code. So instead of that generic AI look, you actually get bold typography, real color choices, animations that feels intentional. And you can notice that the skill has over 277,000 installs, and it is the most popular skill in the entire ecosystem for a reason. To install that, you only have to just go to the Claude Code plugin marketplace, and there you have to search for front-end design, and then you have to just install that like this. And that's very easy, and after installing that, you can understand the differences between your previous websites and the websites you will build after installing that. And believe me, that will just feels like day and night. Skill number 2, awesome design MD. Now the front-end design skills makes things look better in general, but what if you want your website to look like a specific brand like Stripe or Notion or like Figma? That is where the awesome design MD comes in. This is a collection of design system files for over 55 real brands. Each file breaks down exactly how the brands look like, the colors, the fonts, the button styles, the spacing, almost everything you can imagine. So instead of telling Claude Code that you need a website like Stripe and hoping for the best, you can just load this Stripe design file, and Claude Code actually knows that how the Stripe looks like, and it will obviously use that design to create the website. And this report recently came out, and you can see that this has over 38,000 stars on GitHub, and that is very massive. To use that, you only have to just copy the command from here. If you want, you can just copy the HTTPS, and after that you have to open the Claude Code, and here you have to just paste that. And after pasting, you only have to just give a simple command that install that skill in my environment, and that's it. It will just ask for some permissions, and after that it will add that in your environment, and from then you can just tell Claude Code which brand style you want to use at the starting point, and it will obviously use that exact skill to create you the website. Skill number 3, the skill creator. This one is huge and most people skip it. The skill creator skill doesn't help you only to make your new skills. Instead, it also helps you to measure if a skill is working or not. Because here's the thing most people doesn't talk about. Not every skill actually improves your output. Some of them actually make the output very worse, and the reason is they add extra tokens, extra constraints, and the result is actually worse than just using the Claude Code without the skill. Okay, so the skill creator skill lets you run benchmarks. For example, like you can test version A of a skill against version B, and you get the real numbers, not just the pipes. And if you're ever going to make your own skills, or just you want to tweak a existing skill, then you definitely need that skill. And this is an official Anthropic skill. To get that, you only have to come to the marketplace, and from here you can easily install that. Skill number 4, the obsidian-skills. If you're using Claude Code for anything related with research or like note taking or building a personal knowledge base, then obsidian-skills are must. Obsidian is a free app that organizes markdown files. You set up a folder on your computer as your bold. Then you have to just open the Claude Code inside that exact folder, and everything Claude Code creates becomes the part of your Obsidian system. So that's the first way you can actually use the Claude Code with the Obsidian. And also there's a second way, and in that case you need to create a plugin and you need to add that exact plugin in your Obsidian community plugin, and then you can add the Claude Code with your Obsidian. And yeah, there are like multiple ways to use the Obsidian with your Claude Code, so no worries. And now let's talk about the Obsidian skills, which are created by the CEO of Obsidian himself, to teach Claude Code how to properly use with the Obsidian. For example, like how to link nodes together, how to organize subfolders, how to create like wiki style articles that actually connect to each other. And this turns Claude Code into a real research assistant, and you can have hundreds of documents and Claude Code knows how to navigate all of them without getting confused. And obviously, if you never added the Obsidian with your Claude Code yet, then I'm soon making a video on that exact topic where I'll show you how you can easily connect your Claude Code with the Obsidian, and then you can actually use that as a personal knowledge base. So make sure you keep your eyes on my channel. Skill number 5, the document creation skills like docx, pptx, xlsx, and pdf. I'm grouping these together because they work the same way and solve the same problem. And these are the official Anthropic skills for creating, for example, like Word documents, PowerPoint presentations, Excel spreadsheets, and PDFs. So without these skills, if you ask Claude Code to make you a Word document, it will try, and the result will be very messy and obviously bad formatting. No table of contents, no proper headers, just a rough draft at best. And if you install these skills, then Claude Code actually knows that how to structure a proper document, page numbers, headers, footers, proper stylings, and the whole thing. Okay, some of you will notice that these skills are already installed in your environment, and if it's not, then you only have to go to the Anthropic marketplace, and from there you can install these skills. Skill number 6, the web app testing. This one is for those who are using Claude Code to build web apps, and this exact skill will teach Claude Code how to test your website using the Playwright. And what does that mean in practice? That when you build something inside the Claude Code, then you only have to say to Claude Code that just test that thing. So what it does, it can actually click the buttons, fill out forms, it can check if the page is loaded correctly or not, and all the things it can do automatically. And without these skills, Claude Code can only just build you the site, but it can't verify that is it can actually working or not. And when you install that skill, and through that skill, it can opens up a browser, runs through your app like a real user would, and it can tell you if there anything is broken or not. So this is especially very useful if you do not come from a coding background, because you might not even know what to check. So the skills handles everything for you. Skill number 7, the owasp-security skill. Security is one of those things nobody think about until they face something very wrong. The owasp-security skills gives Claude Code the latest security best practices from 2025 to 2026. When you ask Claude Code to review your code with this exact skill installed, it doesn't just look for bugs. Instead, it checks for the real security issues, things like SQL injection, authentication problems, data exposure, or like input handling mistakes. So you just install the skill, and then you only have to simply say that review this code for security purposes or like security issues, and Claude Code actually knows that what to look for based on the industry standards, not just general knowledge. For anyone who is building apps and that handles like user data, login systems, or like payment flows, for those people this skill is not optional, it's must. So you should now install this skill. Skill number 8, the simplify. And this skill is one of those quiet ones that just makes everything better in the background. And what it does is it reviews code for quality, reuse, and also for the efficiencies, and then it kind of like fixes what it wants before even you see the output. So when Claude Code writes something for you, and the code you get already is a second draft, because the first draft was already reviewed and also cleaned up automatically by this exact simplify skill. You can set this up easily inside your claude.md file to run on every single change, and that means every time Claude makes something, it goes through this quality check first. This is used because most of us are not going to see what kind of like codes are generating the Claude Code, and it will be very heavy for us to do that. But through this skill, Claude Code actually doing that automatically for us, and that leads to clear code and fewer bugs. Skill number 9, claude-to-im. This one is my personal favorite one. The claude-to-im skills lets you connect Claude Code with the messaging platforms like Telegram or Discord. What that means is you can literally chat with your Claude Code project from your phone. You send a message on Telegram and Claude Code receives that. It can process that and then sends you back the results. This is perfect for if you're running long tasks, like you do not want to sit at your computer the whole time, and if you want to check like on something quickly from your phone, or even if you want to build a bot that other people can interact with from Telegram or like from Discord, and then this skill will be very helpful for you. And I already covered like the Telegram and Discord integration with the Claude Code before on this channel, so I will just add that video in here. So make sure you just watch that video if you want to also add these channels with your Claude Code. And obviously this skill just makes the setup much smoother. Skill number 10, Bladder, the autonomous skill extraction. This is the last one, and this is for the people who want their Claude Code to literally get smarter over time, because Bladder is a skill that does what is called autonomous skill extraction. In simple terms, as Claude Code works on your projects, Bladder watches what it does and it extracts the patterns, and then it turns that into new skills automatically. So the more you use Claude Code, the better it gets at the things you specifically do. Think of it like you keep asking Claude Code to do same kind of tasks over and over, and Bladder will just notice that pattern and then it will create a skill for that exact task. And the next time when you will say that to do that exact task, you notice that the task will done by the Claude Code more faster and also better. So this is a newer skill and it's still evolving, but the concept you can understand that that's very powerful, because for that skill your Claude Code setup becomes more personalized to you the more you use that. So these are my top 10 Claude skills, and if you're just getting started, then I prefer you to start with the front-end design and the document creation skill, because this will give you the biggest immediate improvement and you will notice that very first. And this video is only for the skills, and soon I'm going to cover the top plugins and the top CLIs in separate videos, because there's a lot to talk about with each one. So make sure you are subscribed and you don't miss those videos. Obviously, again, if you want to learn more about Claude and you actually need a very specific guidance to learn these things, then you can join my private school community. I've given the link in the description. Inside there you'll get ready-made resources, templates related with these topics, and also you'll get premium level lessons which are made very sequentially, and also we do weekly live session calls, so obviously you can join. And as a community member you'll get access with me, so obviously I'll be with you throughout this learning process, and I'll personally help you to learn this AI stuff so that you can survive in this AI era. And about this video, don't forget to drop a like and also comment in this video that which skill you're most interested in trying, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, peace.